Hey y'all, this is Shannon with the 5 Acre Farm, and we are getting ready to pick up our next addition to the farm. And we're super excited and kind of being a little funny about it. But this is what we're bringing our animals home in. Are we going to tell them or are we going to make it a surprise?
We're going to make it a surprise.
All right.
You don't get to know yet.
You don't get to know yet.
Really, and it's gonna be a surprise.
All right. So, it's going to be a surprise.
They're gonna be so cute.
They're going to be so cute. Yay! Everybody excited?
Yes.
Mason, you excited?
Ah.
All right, here we go. Okay, y'all. So the bringing home of the animals ended up a little bit crazy. I don't think we have as crazy of a story as other people when they get these animals, but it was a little chaotic. And I think we're learning that anytime you bring home a new farm animal, it's going to be a little crazy. But before I reveal the animal, I wanted to show our actual fence system and what we're doing to help keep them in. So I'm going to turn this around. Oh, it's so bright. So what we have is panels with a wire strand at the bottom. Oh, and the mistake that we made was the owners told us that the noses were 8 to 10 inches off of the ground, and that was not low enough for the animals. So when we put them in here and they started getting zapped, they were actually able to get underneath it, and that caused them to not really understand where the zap was coming from, and it really complicated things for a moment. So we had to disconnect, we had to lower it down and wait for the calming of the animals. And then as far as food goes, see if I can back up and come around. As far as food goes, we've decided for now that we are going to do some, that we're gonna try the fermenting system. So we started in this first bucket on the right, and we fed out of it this morning, and then we'll feed out of it this evening, and then keep moving. We are just kind of trying to figure this out as we go along, but we definitely learned if you watch them eating the dry grain here, versus eating the soaked grain at the point that we gave it to them here, you can definitely tell they enjoy the soaked grain much better. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you our new farm animals. Hey, pig, 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 pig. Hey, good afternoon. What are y'all up to? Oh, is it too hot out here? They said, nuh-uh, it is hot out there, ma'am. Yeah, we're gonna stay in the shade, huh? We gonna say hi. Hi. Oh, it's hot. It's hot out here. Hi. So we have ourselves a set of 4 Meishan piglets that we have affectionately called and named our miniature elephants. Boom. Aren't they cute? They're so cute. There they are. So far we have really been enjoying them, and they've been kind of tearing this spot up because they like it in the shade because it is super hot, but they've also enjoyed some forage, and they've enjoyed some love and attention and food. And we're doing the water nipple system for their water which they are starting to figure out. Some of them have figured it out a little bit more quickly than others. There they are. Hey guys. Hey big bigs. Whoop. Like, hi big bigs. Hey. If I get down here, they might try to eat my phone.
Daddy's trying to eat me. Hi, buddy. Hi, Emily.
What's wrong with you, bud? Hmm?
Mom, this one's Emily.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
That one over there.
Hmm? What's the matter? You want some pork? You want some pork? Go get it. Go get it. Hey, big pigs. Hey. Oh, is that stick in your way? Is that stick in your way? Hey, big pigs. So there you go, the new addition to our 5 Acre Farm. Hope y'all are having a very blessed day. Oops.